haven't done a video like this in a while, so today I thought we would talk about how I earned money in 2024. The first way that I earn money is through my full-time job. I have 2 degrees in social work, a bachelor degree and a master degree. I don't know why I just said it like that, but it sounded funny. So by degree, I am a social worker. I am actually working as a counselor, and that is because when you are a social worker, there are so many other jobs or job titles that you might explore. And so I actually work for the public school system as a counselor. I don't really identify as a counselor. I'm actually a social worker, but I'm just doing a counselor type of job. It's interesting, but if you're a social worker, then you know. If you know, you know. Because I do work for the public school system, I do get paid a regular paycheck from that job, and I get paid twice every single month, even during the months where I'm not actively working because we're on summer break or something like that. So I got a total of 24 regular paychecks from my full-time job. I also got a few bonuses because it's quite common to get a retention bonus or like a cost of living bonus or increase or something like that. So I got my 24 regular paychecks and then some additional paychecks, and that is how I have survived 2024. That's the primary way that I have survived 2024. The second way that I earn money is through Google AdSense. Google AdSense and I are super locked in. It is the first way that I started earning money as a content creator. Years and years and years ago, I started a YouTube channel, and the requirements to get monetized were super simple, or more simple than what they are now, I should say. So I think you just needed 1,000 subscribers, just 1,000 subscribers, and you needed 10,000 channel-wide views. That was relatively easy to obtain, and so within a couple of weeks after starting my YouTube channel, I was monetized and I was able to take advantage of the Google AdSense program. How this works is Google is paying YouTube to display ads. Because I am a partner via YouTube, they are then paying me a portion of what Google is paying them. So I have been earning money from Google for as long as I've been on YouTube, and that payout is once per month for everybody, for all of us. So once per month, I get a paycheck from Google AdSense, and it is the most consistent form of revenue that I receive as a content creator. Next up, we have what I am calling a flat rate sponsorship. There are various types of sponsorships, and they all differ. A flat rate sponsorship. This is when a brand pays me a flat rate fee, normally a 4-figure number, could be more, could be less, but I do have like a base flat rate fee that I charge for YouTube content specifically. I normally do not venture off into creating sponsored content anywhere else but YouTube, and it's normally in the form of a flat rate sponsorship, and it's normally a mention in a YouTube video. We'll talk a little bit more about that, but at any rate, they are paying me a flat rate amount, which is typically a 4-figure number, to talk about their product, their company, their brand. Unfortunately, 9 times out of 10, the payment actually comes after the work is complete, which makes sense because we go to work for 2 weeks and then we get paid. You know, like that's pretty much how it works. But the payment might come 30 days after the work is complete. It can come 60 days. It can come 90 days. It just depends on what the contract suggests and what it says in the contract. But yeah, a flat rate sponsorship is when they pay me a flat rate to talk about the brand. This is different from a commission-based sponsorship, which is what I consider to be the 4th way that I earn money as a content creator, or that I earned money in 2024. A commission-based sponsorship is when a brand is going to pay me a commission based on the content that I create for them. So it's a sponsorship, but instead of me focusing really heavily on that flat rate amount, I am more so focused on what the commission is. So if a brand is going to send me a product that's worth $20 and they want me to promote that product, if they're not going to pay me a flat rate, which is a guaranteed amount, then that commission needs to be something that I can reconcile with. If the commission is going to be $1 per sign up, then I'm probably not going to do it. But if the commission is going to be $500 per sign up, then I'm probably going to do it, because even if only a couple people click on the link and go sign up, which is called a conversion, by the way, then that's still $1,000, even if just 2 people do it. So to me, that makes good, logical, mathematical sense. So basically, if the flat rate isn't what I would consider to be sufficient, then that commission needs to be sufficient. A commission-based sponsorship differs from what I consider to be a product review, which is number 5. The difference here is that if a brand is going to send me a product to talk about or to review, then the product would need to be something that I really want and wouldn't want to pay for out of my own money, or it has to be worth my while. So if a brand is going to send me a $500 product, maybe it's not something that I've always really wanted, but it's $500, which means that I can save myself $500, then I might take them up on that offer. If a brand wants to send me a $20 product and it might be something that I really want, I'm probably not going to take them up on that offer because I can just buy it with my own $20 and I don't need them to send it to me for free and me have to produce work, aka incorporating that into one of my videos or mentioning it or just having any work related to that. To me, it makes the most sense to just buy that product on my own. With product reviews, there can be some type of commission, but oftentimes there is not. You might get a coupon code to share with your viewers so they can receive a discount, but you might not actually benefit from them purchasing the product. So when it comes to product reviews, basically the product needs to be of substantial quality and honestly be worth an amount that maybe I wouldn't easily pay on my own. Again, a $300 product, $500, $1,000 product, something like that. But yeah, if it's like $10, $20 or something that I can easily spend my own money on, then I'm not going to enter into any kind of partnership with the brand based on that product. I did do a number of product reviews in 2024, and by number, I mean just a couple because I don't really care to do product reviews that much. Of the 3 types of sponsorships, I normally go with a flat rate sponsorship. Occasionally I will do a commission-based one, and occasionally I might do a product review, but I normally just go with a flat rate sponsorship, mainly because I only do maybe 1 or 2 sponsor videos per month, and I put out about 8 videos per month, and I feel like 1 to 2 of them being sponsored is something that I can maintain, because a sponsored piece of work isn't as easy as it might seem. There's a lot that goes into it, and to me they can be quite stressful, so I just like to keep mine to a minimum. So if I secure 1 sponsorship per month, I'm doing pretty good. If I secure 2, I'm doing great. Anything above that is probably going to be stressful and not something that I'm going to do. In fact, I'll probably ask the brand, assuming I want to work with them, if we can actually kind of like extend, maybe their deadline is the end of December, but I'm already working with 2 brands in December. I might ask if we could extend it to January, and then if so, I could probably work with them. But anything beyond 2 is really asking a lot, because I do not find creating content to be stressful at all, and I don't want it to be by me going back and forth with a bunch of different brands all month and sending content, them checking it out, sending it back, telling me to make edits, yada, yada, yada. I don't want to be bothered. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. I feel like the most notable version of affiliate marketing for me is the Amazon affiliate program. I am an Amazon affiliate, and so each month I earn some money from whenever folks shop using my Amazon links or using my Amazon storefront or shop. That is a pretty consistent source of income. It's not a lot, but it is consistent. And I feel like that's one of the most notable affiliate marketing programs, though I did earn affiliate money in other ways or through other systems or programs in 2024. Next up, we have coaching. I do virtual and in-person coaching. Not a whole ton, but I will do coaching whenever I see fit. Every now and again, I will open up my scheduler so folks can book a session with me. And typically this is on budgeting. Occasionally it might be on planning or anything else that I consider to be my area of expertise. I do not go outside of my realm. To me, that's sketchy and fraudulent. I just stick to coaching folks on what I know best. Next up, we have a tax refund, which is kind of random, but since I have been a small business owner, I have only owed lots of money in taxes. Each year, I have not been due a tax refund, but randomly, we got a tax refund in 2024. Normally, again, like I said, I don't get a tax refund. We don't, and I don't consider it to be, you know, even an income source because we don't get one. But this year we actually got one. So it was a significant amount. It was a 4-figure number, and I feel like it really helped us financially, even though whenever you get a tax refund, it's really just money that the IRS or the state is paying back to you because you paid them too much throughout the year. So that's what a tax refund is. So I know that to be factual, but it still felt like a source of income in 2024 because it was just so random. It was literally a blessing in disguise. Next, we have selling online. I search Facebook Marketplace all the time for different items, and I sell on Facebook Marketplace. I am selling a few items right now because I don't know, I just feel like Facebook Marketplace is the way to go. Locals can come and pick up items, or you can deliver the items. You can even ship the items to non-locals, but I'm normally selling big, large items. Ones that I think I don't really want to give away, but that I feel like I want to sell because I can make some good money from it. I'm not a person who lets go of things easily anyway, and clothes and stuff like that, I just straight up give away. Purses and stuff like that, I normally just give away, you know, stuff like that. But currently I'm selling my desk. I'm selling a chair. I'm thinking about selling these shelves and getting new ones. And I'm thinking about selling that sofa. And to me, if I were to just give away or donate all of those items, that would be a lot of money down the drain. Plus I have to replace them. So I am just going to use the proceeds to put towards my new items. So anyway, I sold a good bit in 2024, notably furniture pieces, but that's how I made money in 2024. And then finally, we have credit card points. We use the Capital One Venture card. It allows us to get cash back on every single purchase, but if we purchase anything travel related, we get even more cash back, or points is what it technically is. But the points can be converted to cash, or you can get gift cards, or you can put it towards your credit card balance, or you can use it to purchase travel or to get concert tickets or whatever the case is. So each year we normally get at minimum $500 of free money. It's us getting money or points that convert to money for purchases that we were already going to make anyway. So every few months we can normally book a one-night stay at a hotel, or we can get concert tickets or what have you. Currently, we are going to be ending the year, well, as of right now, we have about $250 worth of points. So that's a good amount of money, and we can probably go to a hotel for a couple of days, or we can probably go to a couple concerts or something like that, or we might let the money roll over into the new year, which is fine. But we normally get hundreds of dollars. I've never actually like straight up counted it, but I know we covered the cost of our Miami hotel this summer, which was $600, $700 completely with credit card points. So we probably actually get closer to like $1,000 of points each year now that I'm actually thinking about it. But yeah, I've never added it all up. Those are the 10 ways that I have earned money in 2024. An honorable mention, of course, would be my husband, because his paychecks are deposited into our bank account, and obviously that money is used to pay our bills and cover expenses and stuff like that. So, you know, that's kind of an honorable mention, but I did want to share, that's just being facetious, I did want to share the actual 10 ways that I have earned money in 2024 due to on my own accord. I will be taking all 10 of these streams, well 11, into 2025, and hope to earn money via these same streams in 2025. A couple of ways that I normally earn money but did not in 2024 include speaking engagements. I did not have any in 2024, but I do have one lined up so far in 2025. Digital products. Occasionally I will have some kind of digital resource available for purchase. It might be like $1 or $2 or something, nothing too crazy, but I didn't earn any money from digital sales in 2024. I used to have an Etsy shop where I designed and sold physical products, but my Etsy shop or Etsy store is not active as of right now. I don't know if I'll ever get back to it being active, but that used to be a very strong source of income, but it was not in 2024, and I don't think in 2023 either. It may not have been in 2022 either, or maybe that's when I put it on hiatus in 2022. But in 2024, I didn't earn any money from physical products that I created and sold. I think that's it. I don't know. I feel like that's about right. I think at one point I had up to like 15 different sources of income, and I'm of the impression that a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit there adds up to be a lot. And so that's just kind of how I go about life. So maybe I only get paid $50 from Amazon each month, or sometimes even less than that. If you add that with this flat rate fee and this fee and that commission and that affiliate marketing stream, XYZ, then we have a significant amount of money. So just keep that in mind. All of your income streams don't have to be large income streams. Some of them, if you're starting out in this space or just trying to figure out ways to earn more money, some of them may actually just be smaller amounts, but those all add up over time. That is going to be it for today's video. Those are the ways that I earned money in 2024, and probably the ways that I will earn money in 2025. Although I just mentioned I have a speaking engagement lined up. So there may be a couple other ways that I earn money in 2025, but I'm definitely taking all 10 or 11 of these income streams or sources into 2025. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a like. Subscribe if you're new and if you're liking what you're seeing, and I will catch you guys right back here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye guys.